I'm sorry. I was there. Long time to see you. Hold on, I have something for the boys. Thank you. Okay, right here. Right here. Right here. Let's go. He's just joking. Please be careful.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear Morgan. Happy birthday to
French fries. She's French
Yeah,
fries.
I'm saying, not focus anymore.
Mac and cheese.
Come on, go!
Yeah, get it. Get it. Come
Come
on.
on, keep going. Well, halfway, not even. All
All
right.
right. Yay. Yay. Where's the light?
Thank
Okay, now you can slice it.
They have little wax markers on. Is that chocolate cake?
No. Is that chocolate night? I think it's
I
vanilla.
don't know what
Vanilla.
flavor you got. Oh, these have the little wax catchers on them too. That's cool.
I don't know how to turn it
Yeah,
off.
see, these candles, these are,
I don't know how to turn
they
it off.
burn their color of the candle. That's pretty cool.
How do you do that?
The candle will work again. You showed it when it was dancing?